In this video, we would like to introduce the Smart Garage service platform.
Alexa, ask Smart Garage if my car is ready for my ski trip this weekend.
There are currently 2 issues with your car and you may want to book the winter service package. For details, please start the Porsche Smart Garage app.
Now you can immediately start the service booking process. Due items are pre-selected and you can optionally add premium service packages. After customizing your package, like adding your ski box, you only need to select your desired pickup date and location. Confirm your purchase and you are ready to go. From here on, the service platform takes over by scheduling a service appointment and handling the data transfer between the vehicle, the service garage, and the user. When the Porsche employee reaches the vehicle, he can request access and start the engine by using the Smart Garage pickup app. Handover of the physical key is not necessary. Whenever the service status is updated, the backend immediately sends a push notification to the app. Additionally, the user can observe the current location of the vehicle. In the Porsche Service Garage, a web app supports the mechanics to allow a more efficient and transparent service process. After the service is completed, the vehicle is returned to the pickup location. Without any effort, you can now enjoy your ski trip. Smart Garage. Servicing your car has never been easier.